Hi guys, it's me Jasmine, and today I'm going to be doing a few, or more than a few, satisfying sounds that you guys might like, and I thought it would be just a fun thing to do, so I'm going to do it. Let's get on to the first one. The first one is squishing a squishy, so I have got a squishy here and I hope you enjoy the noise. Hope you liked it. Let's go on to the next one. This may not be a common one, it's shredding paper. I think you guys will like it because I really liked it. And comment down below if you find the hidden message. Okay, gonna shred the paper. I really enjoy it, but I don't know if it's a really good one, but I hope you enjoyed it. Next one is pencil on paper. I think you guys will enjoy this one, but let's see. Hope you like this one. Let's go on to the next one. The next one meant a change of location, so I'm here with, slime, because it had to be one of them, so I'm going to just do some little sounds. That is that one. Slime. Next one is doing stuff with my beanbag, so I hope you like this sound. I hope you like the sounds of this thing, so yeah. The next one, I'm going to be doing something on my piano. Okay, so just get ready for the satisfaction. I hope you enjoyed my piano noises. The next one is cutting paper. It's quite satisfying, but it's not one that you'd come across most days, so. Hope you liked that one. Next one is the things that most people have on their shirts, the glittery bits that go up and down, so. Hope you enjoyed that sound. One is a fidget spinner. I think it sounds really nice, so yeah. Gonna put it on the worktop. Hope you like that. And I'm going to close up now. I hope you all enjoy today's video of loads of wonderful sounds that you'll probably be able to get to sleep from listening to. I'd suggest this is a good video for you to just get relaxed and everything, or just you want to hear really nice noises, come watch it. So love you all, see you soon, bye.